God, I never started recording.
171,
God, I hate this phone.
50 in West Virginia between mile markers 1 and 8.
I'm dead. I'm gonna be dead. I'm dead.
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Meigs County in southeastern Ohio, southwestern Washington County in southeastern Ohio, southeastern Athens County in southeastern Ohio, north central Jackson County in northwestern West Virginia, southwestern Wood County in northwestern West Virginia, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Athens, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Parkersburg, Athens, Belpre, Coville, Fort Run State Park, Washington, Tuppers Plains, Lubeck, Amesville, Belleville, Reidsville, Stroud Run State Park, Little Hocking, Blennerhassett, and Bartlett. This includes the following highways: Interstate 77 in West Virginia between mile markers 171 and 174. Route 50 in West Virginia between mile markers 1 and 8.
For the love of God. They nearly gave me a heart attack. Just trying to burn a CD and bam, the Midland starts going off. Make matters worse. Friggin' batteries are dying in the fan jam. Why didn't the alert works go off? Oh, well, that'd be a good reason. Dear God, I hate it having to have my radios in these crates. They got little holes in them. So yeah, I can run cables through them. But it also means I'm going to have an AlertWorks antenna poking out of the top. Plus, it's right next to a power strip and a pair of speakers. So there's going to be interference, and as such, the AlertWorks signal is trash. For the love of God. Hang on, maybe if I put the AlertWorks on top of the crate. That should be good enough for it to get a signal. Rip Midland, you're not going to be able to help us out anymore. At least I might have some advance notice this time.